Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I wanted to go over a little bit of my new metal building that I just had put up. They just finished it a few hours ago. It's 24 foot wide by 45 foot total length with a 12 foot eave height. So the rear storage area is 24 foot wide by 30 foot long, and the carport area is 24 foot wide by 15 foot long, and it's somewhere that I could park my truck because my truck doesn't fit in a normal garage. So give me a little place to park my truck, and then a little hangout area, barbecue area, multi-purpose area. That's what I built it for. So it's a lighter steel metal building. I didn't need anything super heavy duty here at the house. It's gonna serve its purpose just fine. I've built a red iron building at my last house. I'll insert a picture of it somewhere here so you can take a look. And I've got a red iron building up at my ranch, and I'll insert a picture of that too. While red iron metal buildings are great, they're just a little heavy for my house. You see, I'm in a larger acreage neighborhood. You can tell my house, pardon the mess, you can tell my house, white house, black trim, all that, with the board and batten siding. And that's what I did here. Black trim, white walls with the vertical orientation, white roof, and yeah. So I just had the company frame out the door up front here, the roll-up door. That's for a 10 by 10. I plan on doing a chain hoist roll-up door, so then that way I can put an opener on it in the future. And I just had them frame out the door here. I'm not a big fan of the doors that they provide or they offer. They're pretty cheap, pretty thin and chintzy, so I didn't really want that, so I've got a regular door. So since they just finished building it, all I've got in here right now is my Ranger and my mower. My Ranger would not fit in a regular garage, so something had to be built here at the house. And so you can see they didn't really do the insulation or anything, and I don't plan on it, but they did do the I guess the real thin reflective heat barrier stuff. It's like bubble wrap almost, reflective bubble wrap, but so far so good. It is actually really cool in here right now, and it's been in the sun almost all day. So yeah, it's gonna be just fine for what I need here at the house. Before they poured the concrete, I did go on and run conduit up through the slab, one for the main power, and then I've got a couple extra conduits, one for Ethernet cable, security camera cable and all that. And then I've also got a water line coming up, as I plan on putting at least like a shop sink in here. And then other conduits for the future that just terminate outside in the dirt, like in the ground, for future needs. So like I said, pardon the mess. It's a construction zone. It's getting better. But yeah, here's the, side profile. It's gonna be a good building. Plenty enough for what I need, and maybe for the future. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I did have them going to put in an 8x8 roll-up door in the back. So that way I can take advantage of the breeze that runs through here all day, every day. So by having the 8x8 door centered with the 10 by 10 roll-up frame out in the front, it just blows right through. And plus my Ranger fits through the 8x8, so I'll just bring it in and out the back. So I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be more content coming of me building out the inside. I plan on building walls. I plan on putting up overhead storage, maybe even a full attic, running lights. I got some really bright lights that are gonna go in here. So make sure y'all subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching, and y'all have a great day.